Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim with Vortex mods. First, you will need to download and install the Vortex mod manager from Nexus Mods. After that, ensure you have Skyrim installed and have launched it at least one time. This initial launch creates necessary game files. Then, open Vortex and follow the prompts to set it up to manage your Skyrim game. This crucial first step prepares your system for a seamless modding experience, making future installations much easier. Now that Vortex is set up, let's add some mods. Head over to Nexus Mods and browse for the Skyrim modifications you want. When you find a mod you like, simply click the Mod Manager Download button. Vortex will automatically handle the download and initial installation. Once downloaded, navigate to the Mods tab within Vortex and activate your newly acquired modifications. This process is straightforward, allowing you to quickly populate your game with exciting new content and enhancements. With your mods installed, it's time to manage them. Vortex is excellent at identifying potential conflicts between different mods. You'll see notifications if any issues arise, and Vortex will guide you through resolving them, often suggesting the best load order. After resolving conflicts, you must deploy your mods. This action integrates them into your game's data folder. Always ensure all necessary mod dependencies are met, as some mods require others to function correctly, ensuring a stable and enriched gameplay experience. Finally, you are ready to experience your modded Skyrim adventure. To launch your game with all the new content, always start Skyrim directly through the Vortex application. This ensures that all your activated and deployed mods are properly loaded. Once in-game, take a moment to verify that your installed modifications are active and functioning as expected. Enjoy exploring the vast world of Tamriel with your personalized enhancements, making your journey truly unique and unforgettable. Happy adventuring!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.